Hello everyone, today we're going to compare a 500k house in Dallas versus what we can buy for the same price in India. I've lived in the States for the last 20 years, and now that I'm spending a lot of time in India, instead of staying at a hotel, I thought it'd be a good idea to go see if I can buy a condo here. Let us explore the differences between these two countries' houses. To start our video, I want to show you a house that I visited in my neighborhood along with my contractor who was going to do the inspection so I could possibly buy this house. This is right next to our US office and also in the same neighborhood as I already live. We will call this Spring Valley House in Dallas. Let's get started. Hey guys, so we are here at 201 property, so we're gonna get in. Remember, I already own the next door house 202, and hence looking at this one, I was comparing it to my original house as the structure inside was flipped or very different sometimes. And as you can see, it's very similar to what we have, but this is the first floor. And on the first floor, you can see there's a bedroom. There are some things that are different here. As an example, the closet's a little bit different, and also it's got hardwood floors. Then the bathroom's there. It's got some unique tiles. Looks all right. The washer dryer's on the first floor. So you can see these are the washer dryers. And then there's another closet here. Door for the dog, or the room for the dog. Kind of like how we thought we were gonna use like a cat room. So this is the elevator? Yes, there is an elevator in both houses, 202 and 201. And it is very helpful, especially for my elderly parents who have difficulty in climbing stairs. Now let's go check out the garage. The similar garage, I think it needs some finish out, maybe even some shelves. I mean, even the basic shelves are missing here. All right, so this is just, I think, some sort of furniture. This is not with the house. Okay, so we're gonna walk up to now the second floor. And the second floor is really nice because it's got too many windows. And of course, we need that. Again, the whites are good. There's a little bit of a stain on the ceiling, so that's good. I think there's plenty of room. The backsplash is good. They've got a couple of these ovens, this microwave. And the best part is they've got something totally different. Instead of that washer dryer, because we had that on the first floor, we have a wine cooler, an extra refrigerator, and this like little bar area. Then look at this guest bathroom. It has a little bit longer shelf, more storage space. It's just a more beautiful one. Similar looking balcony, of course. We're gonna go to the third floor now and check out the third floor. It's over there. Okay. All right, so as soon as you come in, to this side is the master, to this side is mommy's room, and then this is the master. And of course, we've got the bathroom, which is very important. We've got quartz, same as what we have downstairs. We have the commode. The tiles are also similar but longer, so that's good. We've got a standalone tub. So this is the other room. As you can see, more beautiful, nice. They're using it as an office. We're gonna be using it as Airbnb. And then yeah, the closet is different. So Bobby's gonna give an estimate for that. Now, the final floor, the fourth floor. This is still unfinished. Okay, so this is, it's fine. They have a guarantee, like if it breaks, they'll replace it. All right guys, so as you can see, it's unfinished. We need some stuff here. Oh, they don't even have a closet here. What are they using that space for? No idea. Anyways, so yeah, we can't change any of the outside structure, but what we could do is we could change, the rest of the stuff, like this area especially. There's gonna be like the bar and also the island, but corner lot, always really amazing. It's a nice view. So yeah, overall, we're satisfied with the inspection. Some items we might negotiate, and bring down the price a little bit. Okay guys, see you. A 500k townhome in Dallas can be a spacious house for a single guy, and it can offer multiple bedrooms, bathrooms, as well as desirable features like a terrace and additional amenities such as a garage. I ended up buying this house, and after doing some small repairs, I found a tenant who's paying me $5,200 per month for rent. Not a bad deal, but I recently found out that he lost his job and he's a bit behind on rent. Now, let's shift our focus to India. The city where my dev shop Hopper Digital is situated is called Gurgaon. This is the tech hub of the capital city. You'll find numerous IT companies here, and I found a realtor here in Gurgaon and managed to squeeze some time between office and work to explore this house. I embarked on a mission to discover the type of condo I could acquire within a budget of 500,000. Alright guys, so now we're going to see a beautiful apartment in Ambience Creations, which is right next to our office. Let's go check it out. I just am right outside where it says Upon reaching Ambience Creation, I wasted no time and was greeted by my broker who came recommended, and then we headed to the lead of the seller side who guided me through the available options.
So this is your servant room, sir. You can access your kitchen from here, sir.
Okay, so it's a separate entry.
Separate entry and separate washroom and separate bathroom.
So the main objective of this servant quarter is, suppose your guest sitting in the living room and some delivery boy is coming up, so he will not enter from the living room, he can come from this place.
This is your guest bedroom. Again, what we are giving in the flat, sir. Light, fan, fall ceiling, air condition, geyser and wardrobes.
What's the monthly HOA or whatever?
Maintenance?
Yes.
Around 3.25 rupees per square feet per month. It's around 9,000 rupees. 9 to 10,000 rupees.
Sure.
So this is your washroom, sir. So again,
So this model home was a 3-bed and a 5-bath condo with a living area that they call dining hall in India, a servant quarter which is customary in India, and 2 additional half baths.
this is kitchen, sir. So what we are giving here is your micro machine, RO, geyser, garbage crusher.
This was the dining room with beautiful decor and a cozy sitting area. Attached to the dining room, there was a master bedroom with a good-sized master bathroom. Mind you, not the Texas size, but good enough. And it also comes with a balcony.
Okay.
Apart from the master bedroom and the guest room, there was this 3rd bedroom that also came with an attached bathroom.
Purchase the entire floor, sir. But it is again it's available in the.
I hope you like the tour of both of these houses. Here's a bonus house that I saw over the weekend. Alright guys, we're here. Our broker is a bit busy. He's a busy man. So this house is a resale. So that means that this is somebody's already occupying it, which is maybe a good thing because when you're moving into a new property and especially a new construction, it gets really like your responsibility to ensure that everything's working right and it's installed right and there are no leaks. I mean, the Dallas house I bought brand new, I was the first person to move in and it had a lot of challenges. So hopefully some of those challenges are already flushed out. So let's go check out that.
So it's almost like that.
As we entered the house, we saw a large living room and a decent sized balcony just in front of it. The balcony offers a beautiful view of greenery and buildings. So the house that we're going to see has 3 bedrooms, a hall kitchen, 3 bathrooms, 2 attached to each room, and the 3rd one is a common one.
Kitchen was fully loaded, right?
It was the 1st bedroom with attached bathroom and balcony. This is the 2nd room with the attached balcony and a bathroom. The 3rd room is similar to the 1st room and the 2nd room. It's the same size and has an attached bathroom but doesn't have a private balcony. It was time for us now to go back. I conclude that even though the salaries are low in India, a house in a good neighborhood can still cost you around the same amount as in Dallas. If you're looking for investment, then investing in Gurgaon can be a better option as the appreciation of the property in Gurgaon is higher than in Dallas. However, when you consider the inflation in India, then you would discover that perhaps the appreciation is not that fruitful. If you're looking for a house as a place to live in, then it depends on your preferences and your long-term plans. Remember, a house is that reminds you of who you are, what your goals are, and everything that you want to do. When you come back from a hard day of work, then you need your house to be there as a reminder of your goals. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it somewhat useful and inspiring. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content, mostly related to travel and self-help.